Welcome to my channel, Historical and Knowledgement Entertainment channel. Today I am going to tell all of you the biography of Guru Dronacharya. First, I will introduce who is Dronacharya. Dronacharya was the son of Rishi Bharadwaj and Apsara named Gritarchi and a disciple of Parshuram. Accomplished in Dhanurvidya, he was the guru of the 5 sons of Pandu and 100 sons of Dhritarashtra. In Kuru Pradesh, he was the commander of the Kaurav side during the Mahabharata war. Eklavya name is notable among the disciples of Guru Dronacharya. He cut off the thumb of his right hand when Dronacharya asked for Guru Dakshina. Kauravas and Pandavas got education of arms and weapons in Dronacharya's ashram itself. Arjun was a dear disciple of Dronacharya. He wanted to make Arjun the best archer in the world. Now I am going to tell you his birth story. According to the legend of Mahabharata, Maharishi Bharadwaj once went to bath in the river. After the end of the bath, he saw that the nymph was bathing nakedly. Nymph means Apsara. Okay. Seeing this, he was lustful and birds dripped from his penis. He placed these seeds in Dron Kalash. Drone kalish means it is made up of leaves. Okay, it's like a drone means you can see a polygon like that. It's a kalash. Okay, from which son was born. By another opinion, Kamadur Bhardwaj had physical association with Gritachi, whose Yonimukh Drone was similar to Kalash face. He was named Dronacharya because of his origin from Drona. Now, I will tell you about his life. Drona became adept in the knowledge of the four Vedas and weapons while staying in his father's ashram. Along with Drona, Drupad, the son of a king named Prashad, was also getting education, and both of them became close friends. At the same time, Parshuram was doing penance on the Mahendrachal mountain by donating all his wealth to the Brahmins. Once Drona reached out to him and requested him to donate, Parshuram said, "Child, you have come late. I have already donated everything to the Brahmins. Now I have only weapons left. You can donate them if you want to." This is what Drona wanted. So he said, "Oh Gurudev, I will be very happy to get your weapons, but you will have to teach me these weapons, and weapons also tell the law." Thus, by becoming a disciple of Parshuram, Drona became an unprecedented knowledge of all the disciplines, including Astra, Shastra. Drona was married to Kripacharya's sister Krupi. After receiving education, he had a son from Kripi. This, this Mahabharata, he became an important character of whom was named Ashwathama. Dronacharya knew the use of Brahmastra, which he also taught to his son Ashwathama. Dronacharya's early life was cut into poverty and he sought help from his classmate Drupad, which he could not get. Once, while traveling in the forest, the ball fell into the well. Seeing this, Dronacharya took him out with the skill of his bow. In the subject of this wonderful experiment, and known to be a scholar in all subjects of Drona, Bhishma Pitama appointed him for the higher education of the princes and took him to the royal palace, became known as Dronacharya. Now, now we will talk about his important role in Mahabharata war. It's the story of Mahabharata war in which Dronacharya plays an important role. When the war of Mahabharata was decided, Drona supported the Kaurav army along with his son Ashwathama. He was in a lead role at the beginning of the war. After the 11th day of the battle, after Bhishma Pitama was lying on the bed of Arjun's arrow, Duryodhan chose Drona as the chief commander of the Kaurav army at Karna's behest. As soon as he became the commander, surrender, Duryodhana and Shakuni told Drona that if Yudhishthira was taken captive, the war would be over. Duryodhana's plan does not allow Arjun to be completed. Karna also massacres the Pandav army. On the very next day, Shakunu and Duryodhana managed to send Arjun far enough away from Yudhishthir to capture Yudhishthir. But Arjun arrives on time to save Yudhishthir from being taken captive. Duryodhana sends King Bhagdat to battle Arjuna. Bhagdat defeats Bhima, makes war with China, makes war with Arjun. Shri Krishna protects Arjun by taking on the Vaishnavastra of Bhagdat. Arjun breaks Bhagdat's blindfold, which causes him to stop looking. Arjun kills them at this stage. On this day, Drona creates a Chakravyuh for Yudhishthira, whom Abhimanyu knew to break but did not know how to leave. Yudhishthira sends Bhim with Abhimanyu, but Jayadratha stops everyone at the door of the Chakravyuh. Only Abhimanyu is able to enter. He alone fights all Kauravas and is killed. Seeing that the son of Abhimanyu was unjustly slaughtered, Arjun was to kill Jayadratha the next day and failing to do so, asked to take fire samadhi on the 14th day of the war. Drona along with Kaurav plans to save Jayadratha after listening to Arjuna's fire mausoleum. Drona hides him in the rear of the army to save Jayadratha, but due to the sunset by Sri Krishna, Jayadratha comes out and kills Arjun and kills him. On this day, Drona kills Drupad and Virat. Now, I will tell you ending of his life, but before proceeding further, all of you tell us how long the war of Mahabharata was fought. On the 15th day of the battle, seeing the loss of the Pandav army in the battle by Drona, Shri Krishna asked Yudhishthira to resort the distinction to defeat Drona and to spread the fact that Ashwathama was killed in the war. Seeing this against his religion, Yudhishthira started trying to deny his treachery when under a plan. Bhima killed an elephant named Ashwathama of Avanti Raj and spread the word in the Yudhkshetra that Ashwathama was killed. When Drona came to know about this, he went to Yudhishthira and asked if Ashwathama had really died. Then Yudhishthira said yes, keeping Ashwathama dead in mind. Hearing this, Drona was shocked and renounced his weapons and sat on the earth to mourn the death of his only son. Then Dhriഷ്ടadumna, the commander of the Pandav army and brother of Draupadi, killed Drona with the sword. Now this is the end of the video. If you know something else about Guru Dronacharya which is not told you in this video, please tell me in the comment section, and if you have already subscribed to the channel, thanks a million. If not, then clicking on the below red color subscribe button, you can subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get further videos notification. Thanks again.